Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. So, Ferrari has unveiled their new front engine flagship car called the 12 Cilindri, and it's said to be the replacement for the 812 Superfast that we all know and love. So, in this video is all you need to know about it, but before we get started, I would like you to go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you like this type of videos. Go ahead and watch the video to the end, and if you like it, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. And with that said, thank you for tuning in. And let's get started. Now, starting with the powertrain, the new 12 Cilindri is powered by a 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 engine that makes 819 horsepower and 678 Newton meters of torque, and all the power is sent to the railways via an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. Basically, it has the same engine as the 812 Superfast, but in the new 12 Cilindri, it is tweaked to make more power, 818 horsepower, which is more than the 789 horsepower you get from the 812 Superfast. Sorry, my brother is holding the script. And now, coming over to the performance. The new 12 Cilindri can do 0 to 62 miles an hour in exactly 2.9 seconds, can go from 0 to 200 kilometers an hour in 7.9 seconds with a maximum top speed of 211 miles per hour, which is exactly the same time that the 812 Superfast does this performances in. And if you want to see the comparison between this and the 812 Superfast, I made a video about it. You can click this link right here to check the video out. So what do you think about the performance? Let me know in the comment section down below. And now, coming over to the design. The new 12 Cilindri looks a lot futuristic and a lot more modern than the 812 Superfast. At the front, you get a really long bonnet that fits the V12 engine. And at the front, you get a black design that runs across the mouth of the bonnet that looks similar to what we see in the 365 Daytona. And you get a new flatter headlamp design, and if you go lower, you get the flat daytime running light, which sits just below the headlamp. And on the side, there's nothing much going on except for the flowing panel that goes from the front to the back. You don't get the sculptural design you get from the 812 Superfast now. And at the back, it looks really beautiful from the back. It gets like a flat rear lamp, like everything. The lamp now is completely flat, and you don't get the circular light you get from the 812 Superfast, which is kind of like disappointed. And at the middle, you get the Ferrari horse logo, and if you go below that, you get the new quad exhaust tip, which is now flatter and not circle like the ones you get in the 812 Superfast. And on the inside, you get a new futuristic and a more modern interior design. Like the configuration, everything on the inside is a massive upgrade over the 812 Superfast, and it looks more modern and more futuristic. The center console, the steering wheel, the seats, the air vents, everything on the inside looks very, very good. Like, it looks more good than the interior of the 812 Superfast on the inside, but on the outside, I don't think it looks better than the 812 Superfast. Well, let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Which one looks better, the 812 Superfast or the 12 Cilindri? Let me know in the comment section down below. And now, what's new on the 12 Cilindri? What are the upgrades it has over the 812 Superfast? And what are the upgrades and the features it has over the 812 Superfast? Well, these are the highlights of the new 12 Cilindri, and it's mostly on the technical part. The new 12 Cilindri now comes with a new set of touchscreen displays, one at the front, at the middle of the console, and one facing the front passenger, which is similar to what we find in the Ferrari Purosangue. And now it comes with a new brake-by-wire system, which means that there is no physical connection between the brake pedals and the brake calipers. Braking now is now actuated via electronics when you put the foot on the pedal. And it now comes with an upgraded 4-wheel steering, which is an upgraded version of the 4-wheel steering you get in the 812 Superfast. And it now comes with an advanced and an upgraded stability control, which should make it a little bit easier for driving. And it also comes with an active aero system, which is the first time Ferrari is implementing it in their front mid-engine flagship car. And it's hard to tell where it's located, but it's this cutout you see at the back. Yes, at the top of the car at the back, that's the active aero system. And the new Spider version is now convertible, not the hardtop that you have to remove manually. So that's all the upgrades that the 12 Cilindri has over the 812 superfast. And now finally is the price. How much is the new 12 Cilindri? Well, Ferrari has not announced the official pricing of the 12 Cilindri, but it is expected to be around $400,000. Well, for reference, the 812 superfast has a starting price of $350,000, and the 12 Cilindri is expected to cost a little bit more, around $400,000. Well, let me know what you think about the pricing. And with that, we'll come to the end of the video, guys. If you like the video, please go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you want more videos like this. And if there is anything you think I missed out in the video, let me know in the comment section down below. And if you like this format of video, let me know if I should make more. And with that said, thank you for tuning in, and thank you for dropping by. And I will see you in the next video. Peace out and stay safe.